I made it to Mexico City. It's a little late, so everything's closed, but I'll take you around. Exhausted. I'm in my hotel room, and look at this. Woo! Oh my God. It's just insane. This is New Year's in Mexico City. We stopped at Teotihuacan. Pretty excited about this. I wasn't expecting to come here, but it's massive. Its base is that of the pyramids of Giza, but it's half the height. One of the tallest pyramids in the world. And let's go get to the top. This is gonna be our first summit, right, Lisa?
Going to the top.
First summit. Yeah, so this has become a 4 summit trip, not a 3 summit trip. See you at the top. We're here with 1,000 of our new best friends. Literally 1,000. It took us an hour and a half to get to the top. We're on top of the Sun Temple. And now we're gonna be late and we're gonna run all the way back down because Guillermo is waiting for us. But this was our first summit of 4. And I'm really looking forward to it. Say hi, Lisa.
Hi.
Hi. Oh yeah, say hi. Hi. It's what we call winning. And let's go win our ass back down. We're on our way to Malinche for tomorrow's summit. Alright, our gigs for the night, and it's not bad. We got bunk beds, got a soft bed, full kitchen, even a fireplace. So we're leaving bright and early for another 14.
This trail of this mountain is have 4,400 meters, 430 meters, and it's very nice because in the first part here we can walk in the forest, and in the ridge you can see the 3 volcanoes, Pico de Orizaba, Popo, and Itza and Malinche, to the summit. The view is amazing. It's beautiful. Sometimes it comes with the dogs, so it's like mountain friends. So you can bring some sandwich or something like that, and they are very happy. So welcome to La Malinche or Malinche.
Thank you. Thank you, Guillermo. We have 5 miles to the summit, and hopefully do it in 5 hours. Slow and steady. Name of the game. It was a brutal 2,000 feet straight up. Oh, feels like in less than 2 miles. First view of the summit, though. The treat of the day was our wild feral dog that came and visited us. We named him Ed. Hopefully he comes and catches up, joins us for the summit. Hola! Hola! Here we are at La Malinche. We are at the top. We are at 14.6, which for me is the highest elevation I have ever been in my life. Lisa here has been over 20. So she's got me beat, but I have to say it was a hell of a challenge. We did it in just under 5 hours. We were expecting a view of our future volcanoes, but we're in a cloud.
Not so much.
Not too much. Heading down right now, and I gotta say that was tough, but not the worst I felt at 14. The craziest part, that's just the beginning of this 3 volcano trip. This was the smallest of the 3. I got Itza and Orizaba in the next coming days, and I can't wait to share it. Today we did an acclimating hike to around 15,000 feet up this fabulous mountain. See it? See it? Oh my God, it was amazing. The views were epic, right?
Epic.
Epic views. But it was a good training for tomorrow's 17,000 foot summit. Whew. It's snowing. Yeah, I'm in Mexico. It's snowing. It does that. It snows. show you the rest. It's like 7 o'clock Mexico time, and we gotta go to bed right now because we're waking up at 1 a.m. to do a 17er. No biggie, you know, whatever. I'm a little terrified. See you tomorrow. So it's like 1:30 in the morning, and we're just now getting dressed. Got my suspenders on, my boots. Itza's getting ready. Might have slept. It's really hard to say. But,
It's 2 a.m. and we are just getting ready to start Itza, and stars are out, so pretty excited. Hopefully it's a good day.
So, this is my summit. Well, I'm up here at the hut. I had the rest of the team push on. It just wasn't my day, but I'm still here somewhere over 16,000 feet and pretty freaking excited about it. I want to show you this. It's amazing. What the hell? What the hell? Es loco. It's amazing. And I'm feeling pretty damn good. I'm feeling good. There's no way I could push on, but that's what it's all about, knowing your limits and staying safe. Hola, welcome to my hut where I'm waiting for everybody because I was too tired to continue. Somebody loaned me a sleeping bag. I made a bunch of friends. I'm gonna take a nap. Whew. I didn't want to continue because I really want to summon Orizaba. It's beautiful out here though. It's amazing. Till next time. On our way down from Itza, Lisa summited, which is awesome. I took a nice nap in a hut, which is equally awesome. So much fun. So much fun. This is hard work. When we got to the hut, I was almost crying. But I always say if one person summits, we all summit. Here we are, waiting for the van. We're 2 hours from a 4-wheel drive trip, and 13 hours from heading up the mountain. Excited. She's excited. I'm now excited. The nerves have passed. In traffic. Trying to leave Puebla. It's never gonna happen. Getting in the 4-wheel drive. Go up top. Okay, here we are at the refugio that we're staying at tonight. Pretty awesome. Yeah, I'm excited. We're actually at about 13,000 feet. I thought we were going to camp at 16, but in the morning we'll go up to 16. But here we are, packing my bag right now. It's a little dark in there, and there's people I don't want to bug them. So here it is. That's where we are.
It is 2:09 and we are just getting ready to climb Pico de Orizaba. Woo-woo.
Oh yeah. Hey Lisa, how you doing?
Ready to go. We got sunrise on Orizaba.
I underestimated this mountain. It's hard. We're all gonna make it, right? Woo! Home stretch! Home stretch. Back in the car. Soul's crushed. Oh, got dirt on me.